With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The ratio of minimum kinetic energies of two projectiles of same mass is 4:1. The ratio of maximum height attained by them is 4:1 again. You have to find out the ratio of the range. So if I talk about the minimum kinetic energy during the whole motion, we know that at maximum height, the vertical velocity of the particle becomes 0. So let's say I projected a particle with velocity u at an angle theta, right? If you see here, this component will remain unchanged throughout the motion. This will not be 0 for any instant, right? So what will vary throughout the motion? This u sine theta, right? So at the highest point, this particle will only have this u cos theta, and if the velocity is minimum, since the Vy is 0 at the highest point, so if Vy is 0 and we know that this ux will remain constant throughout the motion, so the velocity will be minimum and kinetic energy will also be minimum. So I will write down the minimum kinetic energy is simply half m this u cos theta square, right? So in the question it is said that the kinetic energy ratio is 4:1. So you can see mass is same, then kinetic energy will be proportional to u cos theta square. So I will write down k1 by k2. It is given in the question, it is 4. Mass will get cancelled out. You will write down u1 cos theta 1 by u2 cos theta 2 whole square. It is proportional to that. Now in the second part it is given that the maximum height reached ratio is also the same. And if I talk about the maximum height in projectile motion, it is u sine theta whole square. You can also write it as u square sine square theta. So you can see very clearly now this is proportional to u sine theta whole square. It is said in the question that this value is 4 by 1. H1 by H2 is 4 by 1. Now it will be equals to, if you see, this 2g will get cancelled out and you will get this, right? Now if I talk about the range, we know that the range formula is u square sine 2 theta. So I can write down the sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta by g, right? So if you see here, we already got the ratio of u cos theta and u sine theta. If you see, the kinetic energy ratio is this and the height ratio is this. So if I write down this range, you can write down this range square is directly proportional to, you can see it will be u sine theta whole square and u cos theta whole square, and we squared both sides basically, right? We took sine with u and cos with another u, and we squared both sides. The left quantity is what? 2 by g, so it will be this. So you can see very clearly that the range square is proportional to u square sine square theta and u square cos square theta. So now if I write down the range, it will be square of this. Let me write down first. So square of it will be directly proportional to this u square sine square theta, that is directly proportional to height also. So let me write down the situation first. So it will be u2 sine theta 2 whole square into, it will be u1 cos theta 1 by u2 cos theta 2. Now we know already this, we wrote what? The kinetic energy ratio and the range ratio, we already have seen this. They both are 4 by 1 and 4 by 1. So I will simply write down 4 by 1 into 4 by 1. You can see very clearly that u1 sin theta 1 by u2 sin theta 2 whole square is 4 by 1, and same for the cos theta. u1 cos theta 1 by u2 cos theta 2 is again this. So from here I can write down, it will be under root of this, right? If we take under root both sides, so this is the value of r1 by r2 whole squares, so it will be 4 by 1, and this is the answer. Now you can check for the option B is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.